function of the form fx equals ax squared plus bx plus c. A does not equal 0. The graph of a quadratic function is a parabola whose axis of symmetry is parallel to the y-axis. The graph will either open upward or downward.
Who shakes the whole earth with holy thunder?
If A is positive, the graph will open up. But if A is negative, the graph will open down.
This is amazing grace.
The standard form is f of x equals a squared plus bx plus c. A, b, and c are known values. A can't be 0. X is the variable or unknown. You do not know it yet. The solutions to the quadratic equation are where it is equal to 0. There are usually two solutions, also called roots or even sometimes zeros.
All that you've done for me.
There are 3 ways to find solutions. You can vector the quadratic, you can complete the square, or you can use the quadratic formula.
Back into order. Who makes the orphan?
The quadratic formula is x equals opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac. Here is an example. fx squared plus 6x plus 1 equals 0. A will equal 5, b will equal 6, and c will equal 1. Then we will plug the numbers into the quadratic formula. When we have the plus or minus sign, this means we will have 2 answers. So there will be 2 equations. As we plug it in, we will have the plus equation and the minus equation. Here you can see where we plug in to each equation. Solving the equation, we will have 2 answers. Where we get the square root of 16 is 4 times 4 equals 16.
Worthy is the Lamb who was slain.
Here we will check our work. You plug in answers to the equation by replacing the x's. If the answer comes out to 0, then you have done your work right. Here we plug it in. The answers that we have, negative 0.2, we will plug it into each. Then we will go back and plug in negative 1. What is a square root function? In mathematics, a square root of a number a is a number y such that y squared equals a. In other words, a number y whose squared the result of multiplying the number by itself, or y times y, is a. For example, 4 and negative 4 are square roots of 16 because 42 equals negative 4 squared equals 16. Here is the formula for a square root. Its domain is the non-negative real numbers, 0 to infinity. Its range is also the non-negative real numbers, 0 to infinity. The square root can also be written as an exponent. f of x equals x to the x. Here are the square roots of all perfect squares from 1 to 100. Estimating is very important for all square roots that are not the square roots of perfect squares. X equals the opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a.